I believe that's Worth Avenue. You're going to probably have to circle around.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Where do I go? Straight?
A circle, and then we'll find you a spot. Now we're strolling down the most elegant boulevard, Worth Avenue, here in Palm Beach. See the majestic coconut palms swaying, well landscaped, no cigarette butts or trash all over the place. This place is definitely a very ritzy shopping district. You see some of the biggest names in shopping and retailing: Max Mara, Ferragamo. Oh, there are more people shopping than I thought. Probably they're all in their air conditioning stuff. How many points we getting for all this walking?
I don't know.
I know, man.
I can put the press. Not enough.
Nice looking gallery, man.
These are all Rodins.
Real Rodins or fake
Yeah,
ones?
look, it says
Really?
we buy authentic art.
Really? How about that? The guy's got a nice suit.
Yeah.
This is a nice looking car too.
Everyone needs parallel parking.
Where are we going? Oh, this is, so Janine's going in one of the best stores in all Palm Beach, Lilly Pulitzer, the flagship store. Hello.
How are you? Good.
I like all these bright colors. I love this song.
Oh, God.
It's our song. So Janine's taking a look at some bright colored clothes here at Lilly Pulitzer. A lot of storefronts being renovated.
We think it was your store. It was years ago. Probably over 10 years ago.
What do you got?
Collars. The leash is $450.
Oh, but look how pretty it is, huh?
Champ.
The dog doesn't need to eat.
No, he
Yeah.
won't eat, Champ.
We'd have a nice leash, but we wouldn't afford any kibble.
Oh, look at these, Jim.
Oh, they're very safe for your dog.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You can make any combination of.
Look at that, your poodle. Can I take a picture of her?
World famous jeweler from New York, Tiffany's, also in Palm Beach. Kind of nice looking leather
Where's that?
right here.
Oh.
Fawns like that. And Ralph Lauren has a nice store here too.
That's much better. That's the 44. Pretty snazzy.
Yeah. They think of everything on Worth Avenue. Such a lovely streetscape. Now we're looking east along Worth Avenue. Very majestic.
Owned collection. So I think they're all like,
So this is like secondhand purses.
It's like a
Okay.
expensive purse thrift store is what I would take
yeah,
it
yeah.
at, but it's
Right.
not like a,
Right.
I might go in here just to
Yeah,
see.
check it. Yeah.
You might have to.
Yeah,
He might have to get you a used right now.
I'd rather have a new coat, sorry.
But just because they're vintage or runway doesn't necessarily mean they will ruin.
Right.
Part of the canvas.
they're vintage or run.
But I will definitely tell you.
Look at this one. It's $52,900.
Pictures of this banana. She wants a Louis Vuitton.
Really? How much are they?
I don't know. That's what Anna wants.
Very impressive.
Hello.
So, Janine, that used Hermes was $27,000.
Yeah, $27,000.
Wow. And Taboo is one of the more intimate and beautiful restaurants and bars. Lots of atmosphere. Over there, there's a nice Saks Fifth Avenue on Worth Avenue. It's pretty classy too. And classically beautiful is the Colony Hotel here. We're on the corner of County Road and Hammond Avenue. Graceful steps. Oh, it's closed, you're lucky. Oh, you're under construction. Oh, thanks guys. And this is the Catholic Church, St. Edward, serving the Palm Beach metro area. And this is one of my favorite stops in Palm Beach. It's Green's Pharmacy and Luncheonette. A true classic. Look at the awnings. And I love this place. You walk into Green's Pharmacy and Luncheonette, you feel like you're in a 1970s pharmacy. I grew up in a family drugstore, remember Hallmark cards, American Greetings, and you walk through a real pharmacy. My dad stood behind a counter like that. See where it says pharmacy and then? It's easy for an independent pharmacy to survive today. Green's Pharmacy has been an institution here in Palm Beach since 1938. There's a lot of history. Unlike CVS or Walgreens, this place has a soda fountain. I haven't been to a soda fountain in years.
Hey, you two, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
You can have breakfast, lunch, whatever you want.
Okay.
So I've been trying to trim down. I'm gonna try the oatmeal here. About $7. Pretty good. Oh, our grub is here. Oh, I like your salad, Janine. Oh, well, thank you. So good.
You're welcome, and I'm gonna
Perfect.
Thanks some water. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Looks good. Hey, this is a pretty fluffy omelet. Decent portions. Great server.
So would you cheese on?
Yeah, I got cheese omelet. Yeah.
Would you care for some hot sauces, sir?
Oh, that'd be great. You don't have miles of stuff in huge quantities like you do at a CVS or Eckerd's. And unlike Walgreens or CVS, this is like real pharmacy stuff. Remember the old shelves? You don't have stuff stocked to the ceilings. You have to control your inventory to make a profit because you're competing against the big guys. This is way cool. I love this pharmacy. And I love the Mediterranean look of the Palm Beach Synagogue here, home of the Feuerstein Jewish Center. So relaxing, walking under the porticos of these graceful Spanish and Mediterranean buildings. One of the main intersections is County Road in rural Poinciana.
Now I'll kiss you. I think wherever we went today, they weren't going to be proud for the one.
Sure. But walking here, I think this is like the Palm Beach Grill. Or unless they only open for supper. Oh no, this is called Almond. Palm Beach Bookstore. Let's go in and check it out.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. And straight ahead is the beautiful building of the Palm Beach Post Office.
Jim, do you recognize this point?
Oh, this is what we got from the Edison. Oh, it's very nice looking.
They cut it.
Red almonds, by the way. Hey, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment.